Welcome back to the Build a Workshop series. My brother-in-law's parents gave me a central vacuum cleaner that I'm going to be using as a dust collection system here in the workshop. Now, I didn't know I was going to have this machine until after I had sheathed the walls. So I need to install a junction box and a switch that I can control this vacuum cleaner with here on this wall. So I'm actually going to put the box here over here, and the switch that I've got is one of these outlet and switch combinations. You've probably seen these before. Apparently they're used a lot in HVAC systems. You can have the switch right here control the outlet. So what I can do is have this installed over here somewhere on the wall, and so when I want to turn on my vacuum cleaner, I just flip the switch and it will come on. I wanted to do this because the switch on the vacuum itself would be back here behind the unit and hard to reach, and so I figured this would be the best way as far as turning it on and off. And the cord is only 3 foot long, and so there was really nowhere else I could plug it up unless I add an outlet. So today's video is going to be just removing this panel and getting this specialized switch installed. So let's get to it. I'm hoping this sheet of OSB comes off without too much trouble. I've got a little bit of pressure up here on the top piece, so we'll just see. I wonder if I could keep these screws in here but not attached. That would be nice. I got this loose with just one problem. I missed a screw and I just pulled it out. Oh well. Hopefully I didn't miss two of them. Alright, I wonder if I could just work from here. Maybe so. Let's give it a try. To make this easy on me, I'm just going to remove this bit of insulation here. And I believe I'm just going to plop this box right here up under this other piece of insulation. I'm going to have to remove this side as well. So this central air vacuum cleaner can, I think it's supposed to pull 11 amps, which is a good bit. So that's why I'm running a 15 amp breaker straight to this. Should be fine. I'm just going to get this wire pushed up into the box here. Now remember, I'm no electrician, so follow this guide with just a just remember I'm a homeowner and not an electrician. That's the main thing I want to get through to you. Now, in order for the switch to operate the receptacle, I have to first break the tab here. Maybe. There we go. Well, broke half the tab. I was always concerned that these might be easy to break, but apparently they're not. Okay, I finally was able to get that little tab broken off. It was a bit ridiculous. Now I need to jumper wire from the top screw to the bottom screw here, and the hot wire from the building is going to come into the middle. So the thought is, hot wire comes in, switch right here breaks that or makes that connection, which will then feed to the outlet down here. So, and the white wire or neutral goes here and ground there. So I've never really used one of these wire strippers down here that's actually on the plug. So let's see if it actually works. Not sure what you're supposed to do besides just yeah, I don't like that. Let's just go with the stripper here. Okay. And how much do we need here? Shouldn't be a whole lot. So from there to there. So I should just be able to jumper these from the top one down to the bottom one, and then just get that tightened up with a screwdriver. Okay, these steps should be reasonably easy. I'm just going to get the ground looped over here and get that tightened down. The angle's a bit cramped here, so you might not be seeing a whole lot. The white down here on this side, and flipping over, hopefully you'll be able to see that fine. The middle is where the black coming in is going to be. I'll go ahead and get this pushed into the box real quick. I'm going to use the drill in 2 corners here. And now I can use the jigsaw to cut out the rest of this. Since I started building this shop, I have learned a lot of things, but one thing I have learned is that I am really bad at cutting holes for these outlets. This is about 1 inch too big on this side. Oh well, I'm gonna make some extra large plate covers to go on here and hopefully make it look a lot prettier. So, but anyway, it's time to get the wiring into the panel here. I am gonna have to turn off the power to do this, so you won't get to see that, but you can watch my older videos on wiring up the shop if you want to see that kind of thing. So I'll bring you back in just a moment when we're going to test out this switch and receptacle. Okay, I have this wired up. Time to test it out. Hopefully, okay, the light did not come on here, and it should come on when I flip this. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, there you go. Okay, good. That's what we're waiting to see. So whenever the vacuum is needed, I just flip the switch on, and then it's off. So, very good. It works. Maybe not the most exciting workshop build video, but I learned something new. I've never broken the tab on one of these outlets before, and I've never worked with the switch and receptacle combination. So it was definitely new for me, and I hope that you enjoyed learning along with me. Well, this is just one step in the progress of getting the vacuum cleaner installed here. So that should be an exciting video coming up pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, be sure to do that. Check out another video up here, I believe it is, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.